Hi there. This is FoamyDM. I've got the Snowcat here by RCTestFlight. It's been built a little while. What I found, and we're going to do a test today. It doesn't have the cap in. It's not completely buttoned up, as it were. But I figured I want to check it out. So the I can't get it to focus, but basically, the kit comes with these, which are 50 amp ESCs, bidirectional is how they're set up. And I don't know, one of them wasn't working right, or both of them, or I don't know, maybe I misset them. But so I picked up these from Amazon to replace them, a little bit more amperage. And yeah, because they said that they might overheat, especially with 6-cell. All right, so we're gonna just go see. All right, let me pardon me. As one-handed control, I just had the wrong hand. All right, let's see. It's easy enough. Right now I've got on 3-cell, so it's not breaking any land speed records. I'll get a mower attachment to this thing and take care of the world sitting on my porch. All right, there we go. There you go, that's it. FoamyDM out.